Nga. Hindi mo kamunggay na ko. Gubat na kayo.
Ito ha di. Ito ha babawan ko.
Artisan.
Asa baboy mo.
Ha?
Ay, hindi ko na buti kasi sa kayo mga mo hindi nag-dishwash. Kalat ng baso niya. Pagkakaw baboy ka no?
Oo.
Mag-breakfast.
Kini dire sa pagluto ni dire.
Ha?
Sa pagluto ni dire.
Ang luto yan pag mga gulay. Separate ba?
Dagko kayo oh. Hello guys. Dagko kayo ang dragon. Sumulan na mo dire ba? Sumulan na mo dire. Oh, ito di saya laga. Yes.
Kaya po, sita ka rin.
Oh. Welcome sila. Anytime pag may bisita, welcome.
Pwede nga matulog ito. Welcome. Hindi nga, pinapaluto ko mga. Luto nga kayo para libre na ako.
Ay, ito, bumita ko, diba?
Oh, mantika yan. Oh, mantika yan. Sige. Kana. Putang.
Tapos, so, itlog bisayang nilaga, bagoong, ayan po, yan po ang ulam namin. So, ayan po si Shat si Payo, nagluto.
Hindi na sidak ko. Ano lang ka?
Oh. Uy, dili mo na.
Ano?
Anak ko.
Kamayin ko?
Oh, yeah.
Kamayin mo.
Baka ayaw mo kasi.
Yan, dami.
Takot ako sa'yo.
Ini. Chararara. Mag-restaurant ka, Shots. Maginani ka, oh. Pero ko na akong gusto, oh, kana. Ana, niya ka tutuwa, oh. Ata.
Ito kasi pinasadya to para pag mo tumanda na may wheelchair, dito dadaan.
Oh.
Yan.
Kaya namin bumili.
Kami ito yung bibig. May idea mo kasi kung paganda.
Yung mga ganong parating na...
Sige, wala kong legacy. Ayun, ang atik ng mga statue lang.
Bravo San Lorenzo di ay.
Okay na.
Magkape ka siya.
Yan po ang aming ulam. Ito po aming dragon fruit. Aming noodles. Kanin. Log.
Nga ako na. Ang larga ka, imo ka na. Harbison.
Hindi na na.
Pagkakaon, binlan mo.
Ano lang.
Oo, may napadako-dako.
Oh,
Galing.
Gamitin ko na. Ako na.
So na wala pa ni.
Wala pa ni. Ang ginawa, dati kasi square yan. Tapos pina-explode ko dito kasi pag maglindol, hindi mabasag to. Kasi may siyang body, giga dito baga. To ano to? Hollow block lang tapos pinabuhusan ko. Tapos pinag-explode ko lang. Kaya
Muna si nanay, human na, nagmarites na tayo. Tuwa, nabot na sa taas ang bunga, oh.
Galing.
Pwede na ay no, sa kahoy siya
Tawag nga kami kagabi, di ba may tinik? May iring.
Meron.
O biro, may iring pala.
Ano, nakukulang iring ko ron, laki.
Tarang marang, oh.
Ano naman?
Rubber? Rubber de?
Meron ako. Meron akong ano. Kaso lang, hindi pwede mo dala eh. Ano, walang sa giant tree, malaki. Yeah. So, gabi ito, dami. Yan, dami yan.
Okay ni siya. Yan o gabi, oga.
Marang
The
oh.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Kulungan akong kambing, ito lang ka.
Marang.
Marang. Ayan.
Marang mo diha.
Minuk na yan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Wa?
Pang-export.
Lagi, puliki lang ko kanan. Ito ko.
Uy. Silupin, wag silupin.
Ha?
Silupin.
Dito ko, to. Lang, daot na. Paano ko kayo?
Hala, oh. Sweetest dream I found with you through the years. May nahuli ka ng honey?
Endangered species.